Hi all, welcome to the channel. So this is a video of a quick note to tell you about the market profile benefits. So what is the difference between a traditional charts and a market profile charts? So I'll tell you the reasons. I have just quoted four important points, but there are a lot of concepts in market profile which tell you very clearly why why the profile is very important, why the profile knowledge is very important. So I'll start off with the smart money footprint. So first important point to discuss why market profile is so important than a traditional chart is definitely it will tell you the important zones where smart money are really sitting, and that will tell you very clearly that that is going to be a rally one day, right? So if the smart money enters the zone, definitely there is going to be a rally. But that kind of information which we can easily identify through market profile. The profile will tell you everything in detail, whether the smart money buyer or smart money seller, whoever exists in the particular stock, it will tell you very clearly. And the zones and all, it will tell you with a profile. If we have the profile knowledge, we could able to identify the smart money zones. That is definitely required for a big day rallies and all. So the next important thing is buyer and seller strength. This is equally important. If suppose for example, if we are in a trade, so definitely there could be some resistance, right? So we don't know whether this resistance is going to be that is the resistance is going to get that zone is going to get resisted, or it is going to pass over the zone and all, we don't know. But when we come to know about the profile, whether the profile is telling the buyer or seller, whoever is strengthening for a particular rate, that is especially for an intraday. So that profile will tell you everything, whether the buyer is so strength or seller is so strength to cross the resistance or to give a good level of support. That kind of information the profile will tell you, but the traditional charts will not give that much of information. I'll tell you the reason why the traditional charts, more than a traditional charts, a market profile will give you a lot of information. Because in general, if you see any analysis, it will take price as a component. But here in market profile, the important component which market profile consider is time. So it also includes time along with the price. That is the most important element. So time is the most important element, because how long the price sustain in that level, that is a very, very important component. But most of the analysis exclude the time element and they include only the price. But here in market profile, we do have both the elements joined together. So price as well as time joined together to find an opportunity. That is called a TPO, time, price, and opportunity. So that is a structure of the market profile. If you start with A to M, that is the period. So the TPOs and all, that is the basic structure of the market profile. So it will tell you and differentiate the buyer and seller strength for an intraday as well as for any kind of days that you wish to see. So third important thing is exhaustion. Definitely the exhaustion concept is very important, and we could able to see that exhaustion in the market profile in a very clear manner. If at all the profile knowledge is very good, definitely we could able to understand the exhaustion and all. Why? Because after the exhaustion, which direction market is going to continue, that is definitely required. So whether it is going to continue in the same direction or it is going to continue in the opposite direction, because of the exhaustion, what the market is going to do next. Or when there is an exhaustion, the profile says there is a zone of exhaustion, definitely we could able to take any good decisions before the market gives any kind of direction. So that kind of exhaustion market profile will tell you very clearly, and it will distinguish between the levels, that is the smart money zones and buyer and sellers strength and exhaustion levels, and everything it will tell you. So these and all because of the data research, because of the research we do on data, because that data includes time element also along with the price. And the last component is acceptance and rejection. This how we can find whether the market, whether the activity is a true one or fake one. So if you see, for example, on a particular day, market will go on a very high rally, and then what happens the next day? They turn the market and they almost close the market in the beginning of the, that is on the previous day's opening itself. So this how market will react. So one day it is on upside, the other day on downside. So we don't know whether it's a true breakout or a fake breakout. So market profile will tell you clearly this is a true one, this is a true breakout. So the acceptance is getting for a particular stock at this level. So the rejection is getting for a particular stock at this level. So this kind of in-depth knowledge we could able to get if we have the profile knowledge of market profile. So these 4 points are very basic points, but there are a lot of concepts in market profile which are equally important and they are equally potential too. But based on market profile, so we could also trade on intraday, scalping, swing or positional long term. So if we have the profile knowledge, the market profile, what it tells you very clearly is this is a day of intraday activity. It can differentiate the levels because based on the so many concepts in market profile, it will tell you this is a day for scalping, this is a day for intraday, this is a day for positional, this is a day for long term holdings. So it will tell you with a detail because of the profile. It will split everything with a reason, with a logical reason and with the data, and then the decision, the trading convictions and all will increase. So I think I have quoted few points of market profile benefits, and then I have also listed how the market profile can be used for trading. So with that note, I'll close the session, and thanks for watching. But kindly do your analysis before you take trade. This is purely for educational purpose. And thank you so much